Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing 3 quick and simple Valentine's DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view.
For the first DIY, I started off by painting this wood heart with some ivory chalk paint and I let it dry for 10 minutes. Once the paint was done drying, I'm going to be adding some twine on the center. Before I added the greenery and the floral, I also put some twine bows. I made 2 separate ones. To make the wooden heart look a little distressed, I'm going to be adding some brown paint on the edges. For the second DIY, I started off by painting the back side of these chalkboard tags.
I wanted to escape for a while, thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game.
Now I'm going to be placing this grapevine heart that I got from the Dollar Tree, as well as the chalkboard tags.
Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
And I'm just gonna make a super simple bow with this ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree.
I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple of friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by painting this small wood heart with some white paint. I wanted to add some detail, so I'm going to be adding some tape so I could be able to make some white and black stripes.
I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
Once I was done putting apart the sign, I'm going to be using the back part and I'm just going to be painting it pink.
I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple of friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in.
Now I'm just going to be adding some twine on the top of the sign.
We skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk.
I just added some lamb ears and a super simple bow in the center of the sign.
Skip the small talk.
To give it more detail, I decided to add some of the chalkboard tags in the center of the heart.
Skip the small talk.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below which one was your favorite. I would love to know. With all of that said, I hope y'all have a great weekend and God bless.
Know myself, oh, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped,